Hi students, very good morning. Yesterday we were dealing with respect to the names. So how to write the alkyl halides names. So this was the last question in the yesterday session what I have given yesterday. Right? So if you go for the answers of these questions, here there are as follows. First one, it is 2-chloro 3-methyl pentane. Second one, 1-chloro 4-ethyl cyclohexane. 4 tertiary butyl 3-iodoheptane, 1,4-dibromo-bute-2-ene, 1-bromo 4 secondary butyl 2-methyl benzene. These are the questions in the yesterday last session. Right? Here there are answers for these questions. I hope that you have done in the correct way. So this one, this is the structure CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CHCl, CH3. So this is 2-chloro means you are coming from this side. This is first carbon, this is second carbon. So on second carbon you are having chlorine. Okay. And on the third carbon you are having methyl group. Okay, clear? You are getting this? So 2-chloro 3-methyl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is pentane. So it is 2-chloro 3-methyl pentane. Right? Let me draw the structure in a clear way. So this is the structure. See here, 1, 2. So second carbon chlorine, third carbon methyl, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is pentane. So it is 2-chloro 3-methyl pentyl. You can write in this pattern or in this pattern. Second one, 1-chloro 4-ethyl cyclohexane. So if you go for cyclohexane, this is the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4. At fourth carbon you are having ethyl group. So C2H5 is the ethyl group. And cyclohexane. At the first carbon you are having chloro. Right. Third one, 4 tertiary butyl 3-iodoheptane. Means he is indicating 3-iodo. So heptane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. At third carbon you are having iodo. So it is 3-iodo. 4 tertiary butyl. At fourth carbon you are having tertiary. This carbon is tertiary, right? It has been linked with 3. Okay, 3 CH3 groups. So this is tertiary and butyl. This is common name. This is tertiary means 1, 2, 3 carbons, and this carbon 4. This is tertiary butyl. At fourth carbon you are having tertiary butyl 3-iodo. Total is heptane, right? Next one, fourth one is 1,4-dibromo-bute-2-ene. So this is the structure. At first carbon you are having bromine, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth carbon you are having bromine, and second carbon you are having ene, 1,4-dibromo-bute-2-ene. And going for the next fifth one, it is 1-bromo. He means, see, 1-bromo means at 1-bromo 4 secondary butyl. So 2, 3, 4. At fourth secondary butyl. So it is secondary butyl. So you are having 1, 2, 3, 4. Secondary butyl 2-methyl means this one is at the second carbon you are having methyl group. Okay, sorry, second carbon this one. This is 1-bromo 4-butyl 2-methyl. This is benzene. Clear? So these are the structures of these 5 questions, whatever that have been yesterday. Right? Let us take some more questions, whatever that are present in our textbook with respect to the IUPAC naming. Right, students? So here is the question. Write the structures of the following compounds. 2-chloro 3-methyl pentane. 1-bromo 4 secondary butyl 2-methyl benzene. See here. You check the answer. We are having this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 2-chloro 3-methyl. Totally is pentane. Right. Second one. 1-bromo 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 secondary butyl means it should be linked with 3 carbons. 1, 2, 3. Secondary butyl, right? Secondary butyl 2-methyl benzene means 2-methyl. Total is benzene. So this type of example we have seen now in the previous solving. So this is one of the important question. Benzene ring is there, bromine, CH3 as well as secondary butyl group is present. Let us take one more question. Fourth question. Write the isomers of the following molecular formula C4H9Br. So this one is one. You can write the many formulas. You will be getting 1-bromobutane. This one 2-bromobutane. Next one 1 bromo 2 methyl propane. Next one 2 bromo 2 methyl propane. So you will be getting 4 isomers. So these are the names of the 4 isomers whatever you will be getting with respect to C4H9Br. Okay. So students, there are one more question like short answer question. Give the IUPAC names of the following compounds, right? CH3, CHCl, CHI, CH3. This is the compound whatever it has been given here. So this is the compound, right? CH3, CHCl, CHI, CH3. So if you write in a proper way, you will be getting this one. Okay. In iodine as well as chlorine, you will be giving the priority to chlorine. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 2 chloro, 3 iodo. How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is butane. So it is 2 chloro, 3 iodo, butane. And this is the compound Cl, CH2, CH, double bond CH, CH2, Br. This is the compound. So if you write the compound, you are having how many carbons? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So butane, bromine as well as chlorine are there. So what is it be giving priority? So you will be getting bromo, 4 chloro, butene. Okay. So it is 1 bromo, 4 chloro, butene, because at second carbon you are having ene. Whenever the double bond is present, double bond is given priority, fluorine as well as chlorine. Right? Sorry, iodine, chlorine as well as. See, don't get confused because he is iodine. It starts with I, chlorine, it starts with C, which is first one, so chlorine. So it has been given chlorine. Suppose if you go for bromine as well as chlorine, which is starting alphabet very lower, so bromine, B, it starts with B. So among bromine and chlorine, bromine is given priority. Among chlorine and iodine, chlorine is given priority because it starts with C and this bromine starts with B. And this is the next question, third one, CCl3, CCl. So this C is here, chlorine is linked with this one, this two. And you are having CCl3. So CCl3, CCl3, CCl3. So if you take this one 1, okay, this one you are having what? On first one you are having 1, 1, 1. This all these things are present on the first one only. How many chlorines are there? So if you count properly. So let me take that. You should select the chain. Suppose I am taking 1, 2, 3. These 3 carbons I am taking the chain. This is the side chain and this is the side chain. So here on this carbon you are having 3 chlorines. So 1, 1, 1 trichloro. Here third carbon 3, 3, 3. See 1, 2, 3 I am taking. On first carbon you are having 3 chlorines. So it is 1, 1, 1. On third one you are having 3, 3, 3. On second also you are having chlorine. So it is 2. Totally how many you are having? 7. 1, 1, 1. 3, 3, 3, 2 means totally 7. So 7 heptachloro. Clear? 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3 heptachloro. This one is left out. So on second carbon you are having this one trichloromethyl. You are having 3 chlorines as well as 1 carbon. So it is trichloromethyl. So total it is propane. Again I am repeating 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons are there. So it should be propane. So on first carbon you are having 3 chlorines. So it is 1, 1, 1. On third carbon also you are having 3 chlorines. So it is 3, 3, 3. On second carbon you are having 1. So it is 1. So sorry it is 2. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. How many are there chlorines here? 7 are there. So it is hepta. Hepta means 7. Chloro. On second carbon, this is the second 1, 2. This is the second carbon. On second carbon you are having 1 carbon is the methyl as well as 3 chloro. So it is trichloromethyl and entire chain is propane. This is the name of this particular compound, right? Let us go for the fourth one. So the compound is CH3CpCl C6H4. P means para position. Chloro. C6H4 means benzene will be having taken twice. CHBr CH3. So what is telling on this CH, this C is linked with H as well as Br and CH3. So this C is linked with this C, CH3C, right? So it is CH3C. This one clear? CH3C. This is CH3C. And this should be in the para position. So it is C6H4 taken by Cl. So this one para position. Ortho, meta, para. Means para position you are having chlorine, benzene ring. See, para position. This is ortho, meta, para position you are having chlorine, benzene ring. 6. CH3. See, this one, CH3C. So CH3C. This Cl, C6H4. This is C6H4, Cl, C6H4, Cl. And next one, this one is linked with CH. This is CH, Br, CH3, CH3. So this is the compound structure, and you will be getting on second carbon, if you take 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay, what happens on second carbon? You are having two phenyl groups. Okay, this is chlorophenyl, this is also chlorophenyl. So on 2, 2 on second carbon this one, on second carbon this one. So it is 2, 2 bis. What is this? This is called as chlorophenyl. So 4 at first, second, third, fourth. So at fourth position we are having chlorine. So it is 4 chlorophenyl, third carbon bromine, this one is butane. Okay, again I am repeating, 2 bis, 4 chlorophenyl, 3 bromo butane. So if you take chain 1, 2, 3, 4, on second carbon you are having two substances, one substance, this one is one more substance. So it is 2, 2 bis. Bis means 2, di means, okay, di or bis. Bis 4 chloro, this entire thing is 4 chlorophenyl, this one also 4 chlorophenyl. How many you are having? 2 are there, 2 are 2 bis, 4 chlorophenyl, third bromo, 3 bromo, this one is butane. So this is the thing. Let us take one more question. We are having 4 compounds, 1 bromo, 4 secondary butyl, 2 methyl benzene. This is the structure. Already we have done this one. Go for second, one more question. Already this one has been repeated in the previous 2 questions, right? Next one is 2 chloro, 1 phenyl butane. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and second carbon you are having chlorine. This is butane, and on first carbon you are having phenyl group. This is phenyl group. So it is 2 chloro, 1 phenyl butane. Butane means 4, right? Next, third one among this is para bromo chlorobenzene. See, ortho, meta, para. Para bromo, this is chloro, this is benzene. Clear? Para chromo chlorobenzene. Next is 4,4-butyl 3-iodo-heptane, right? 4 tertiary butyl 3-iodo-heptane. See, go for fourth one. 1, 2, heptane. He is telling heptane, right? So it should be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear? On fourth carbon you are having butyl. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth carbon you are having butyl group. Okay? 3-iodo. 1, 2, 3. So it is 3-iodo. So 3-iodo, 4-butyl heptane. This is entire group is butyl. This entire group is butyl. See, this third one iodine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 heptane. On fourth you are having butyl. On third carbon you are having iodine. So it is 3-iodo, 4 tertiary butyl heptane. That is the name of the compound. Let us go for one more thing. So this one is the question. He is asking to write the name. This is the question. He is asking to write the name. If you write the structure, it will be in this pattern. So you are having 2 bromo among CH and C. This one we will be giving bromo. Bromo is a functional group, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 2 bromo, 3 methyl butane. So 2 bromo, 4 methyl butane. Go for the second one. If you write this one as the structure, you will be getting this structure. Take the compound name. So you will be getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you are having pentane. On third carbon, if you take from this also it is third one, from this also third one. 3 chloro, 3 methyl. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 heptane. Pentane is the structure. On third carbon you are having chloro. On third carbon you are having methyl. So it is 3 chloro, 3 methyl pentane or tertiary alkyl halide. So this is the condition for the second one. Go for the third. This is the condition on primary. On primary you are, this is taken as the primary. On the primary you are having the condition. So it is 3 chloro methyl phenyl. So if you take this entire thing, so in the question it has been given as meta place. So if you take this one, this is ortho meta. This one you will be getting in meta position you are having chloromethyl. So you will be taking 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1 this is carbon, 2, 3. On this third position you are having 3 chloromethyl. So third carbon you are having chloromethyl, and this entire ring is phenyl group. Okay, and if you go from here 1, 2, 3, you will be getting 3 means propane. So you are having on second one methyl. Okay, so if you take 1, 2, 3, so it is 2 methyl, 2 methyl. So it is 2 dimethyl, 2 dimethyl propane. Again I am repeating on the meta position 1, 2, 3. So ortho meta, chloromethyl, phenyl. So this entire thing is phenyl, chloromethyl, phenyl. If you take this chain, 1, 2, 3, 2 methyl, 2 methyl. So it is 2,2-dimethyl. If you take this one, this is propane. And if you go for the another one, the structure has been given like this. It will be in this pattern. 2 secondary butyl, 1 bromobenzene. See, 1 bromobenzene. This is bromobenzene. Okay. On second carbon you are having secondary butyl. Butyl means 1, 2, 3, 4. Secondary. Secondary means this should be linked with carbons. Linked with 2 carbons. So the carbon linked with this carbon is linked with this carbon. So it is secondary butyl. So it is secondary butyl 1 bromobenzene. Okay. This is the structure of this particular compound. And go for the last question. This is the analyze yourself, students. This one, write the structures of the following organic compounds. 2-bromo, 2-methyl-hexane. The answer is in this way. This one is the answer. First one. Second one, 2 at second position you are having chlorophenyl. So this 1, 2 you are having at second position you are having chlorophenyl group. Clear? And 1 iodohexane. 1 iodo. How many are there? Octane. Octane means 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So octane. That is the structure. And third one, 4 tertiary butyl 3-hydrobenzaldehyde. So 4 tertiary means fourth position will be having tertiary. 1, 2, 3, 4. At fourth position you are having tertiary. Okay. Butyl. Tertiary butyl means tertiary means it should be linked with 3 carbons. This 1, 2, 3. Okay. Tertiary butyl 3-iodo means 1, 2, 3. This place iodo. Aldehyde, benzene, aldehyde group. This is the structure. And this is the last one, 1 bromo, 4 secondary butyl, 2 methyl hexane. So students, these are the questions. Once again, you practice one again and again. Look over this all the examples with respect to the IUPAC naming of alkyl halides as well as haloarenes. So this is what for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye students.